Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the CASHPRO app review to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. The CASHPRO app by Bank of America is a corporate banking tool built for treasury and finance team. It allows users to securely manage payment, approve ACH and wire transfer, monitor account, perform remote check deposit, and review fraud alert. With features like biometric login, push authentication, key house sign in, and the customizable dashboard, the app is designed for business handling large-scale transactions. It supports real-time monitoring and has earned strong recognition in the corporate banking space for reliability and security. However, the app has drawn criticism, especially from Android users for frequent crashes, login issues, and slow performance. Some users find the interface less intuitive compared to the other banking app, and the mobile token activation can be frustrating at times. In my conclusion, the app is still worth using if you are part of the corporate treasury and team needing secure on the go and control over your payment and account, but not ideal if you expect a seamless, user-friendly mobile experience within the app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.